Hi and welcome to my playhouse. And today it's my little brother's birthday. Tiny little thing turns 43. Really. And I bought him a gift. A rather nice gift, if I have to say it myself. I do not play computer. My brother plays computer. So I wanted him to have a really good screen to play computer on. And yeah, this is way above what we usually give as gifts. I haven't really seen him much this last year because of the pandemic and stuff, so I thought that I would give him a little extra big thing. So wonder if it works. So I thought that we could just have a sneak peek, make sure that everything is in the box and it turns on and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna do a bit of an unboxing and reboxing, and it's a Lenovo curved monitor, if you couldn't make that out from the box. It's a rather big box. This is a 34-inch curved monitor, curved 1500R. It's a widescreen. It has 3440 times 1440, ultra wide. Yeah, that's a long way. 144 megahertz. I don't think that matters much. My brother is more into strategic games and not as much ping ping pang pang bang bang you're dead. I care technology. Well, I'm happy that it's not I don't care technology. And then there are some AMD FreeSync Premiere, and be careful when you pick it up, it's heavy. Let's check the sides. Not much more. There is the model number. It's the G34W-10. Yeah. The other side, more or less the same data. On this side there is another sticker, it tells us the model number and the serial number, and yeah, guess that's all good. It's manufactured for Lenovo. I don't know who really makes these panels, but anyone who watches my channel will know that I'm a big Lenovo sucker. So I got this one. Other models was available. This was actually really well priced, so we're gonna have a look at that. Need something to remove the tape. So the tape has magically been done so that we can get in here. I see that the box opens up this way, so we need to get these things out of here, and then the box opens up like that, and we see what we get. We have a cable here, digital display to digital display. So yes, we have a digital display screen. We have a foot for it. I'll try and unwrap this as nicely as possible so I can wrap it nicely back down. So yeah, I know this system. It's very easy. Cool. Then we have a bit of, stay. Have some manual stuff. Don't think we need to look at that. There's a manual, and there are some, there's a cable management thingy. Nice. I think we have another part of the screen stand here. We might need that as well. Yep. There's that part. Should we just mount that as? Yeah, we might as well mount that right away. We're gonna need it in a little bit, so the metal part goes into the metal parts, and then we tighten this one screw here, which is a finger screw. There, must be good enough. Yeah, feels very steady. Nice. I'll put that to the side. We have a power cable over here tucked away. Standard European power cable. Yeah, it is a curved monitor, so it takes up a bit more space than a normal monitor. The box is rather big. So first glance at the monitor itself. Is there a smart way to get that out of here? There. Nothing else in the box. I need to get rid of the stuff that was there. We might just mount that mounting thing while we're at it. So I am investigating. I want to put this on, but as I want to put it back in the box so that it still has that new feel to it when I give it to my brother. I want to make sure how to take this apart. And there is a little tab here on the back of this that you pull down, and that releases the screen from the grip. So we can put these top tabs in here, and it clicks itself into place and it doesn't let go. But if I do the tab, okay, this is very easy, so that's marvelous. Cool. So let's put it up. It is rather heavy, and you get all the warnings in all the different languages, and yeah, it's really sad that that is necessary. Oh wow, it looks good. Wow, that is really impressive. Oh, I should think about getting one of these myself. I think we'll move it over here on the table. Then I can sit on this. We need to see the back of it. It has a label here. I'm not gonna remove that. It's more or less all the things that I just read out of the box set. Well, you would remove this. It's not pretty. It has the Lenovo brand over here, which is of course very pretty. Over here it has a touchpad. Just beneath it, a tiny little plastic thing that you can move around. We need to have a better look at that. But let's see the connections first. That's gonna be very funny to show you that. Okay, I've turned it upside down so that we can see the connections. It has an audio connection over here, blue one, usually audio. Then it has the digital display port, and it has an HDMI port. It really does not have as many connections as I would have thought it would have. It has a power connection, which is marvelous. It's so nice that you can actually power this. Without it, it would be a real hassle. I'm kidding. It of course needs a power connection, but there is not a lot of options here. You put in power and you put in most likely digital display, and you're up and running. You of course need the graphics card that is able to pull out that high resolution of 3440 times 1440. But let's just say that most graphics cards can do that today, so yeah, that's good. Over here is that tiny little joystick. There it is, and you can kind of see that you can push it and you can press it down as well. A bit hard to show that, but it's a tiny little touchpad that is used when you want to control the screen. So yeah, very discreet. I must say that it feels a bit under-designed. It feels like something that could easily break off. If you want to move the screen and you hold here, you might just break the whole thing. So yeah, I would worry about that. But yeah, it's there. And this is the back of the screen. Over here is the power connection, and it says here it's from October 2020, so it isn't that old. And here is the full model number, the G34W-10, but it's the Lenovo G34W-10. It can take from 100 volts to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Nice. Here is a better view without all of my shadows. So over here on the other side, there is a label with all the certificates that it has gotten, all the safety stuff and approvals and stuff. It also shows that there's an HDMI and digital display, and that blue thing is a headphone jacks. I might be able to see that there, but lighting is not the greatest right here. I know that the people that wants to see me turn this on are few and scattered, but we are waiting for Microsoft to update anyway. I just wanted to talk about this tiny little clip here that comes with the screen. It's meant to go right here and do some cable management, so you can have the cables go out of the screen and make a nice little bend down here and go out of the way around the back, so that they don't hang right here. I guess it's the point. So yeah, we're not gonna do that, but just wanted to mention it, and now it's done. So let's connect some cables. Let's connect the power cable. It goes there. There. My laptop has an HDMI port, and there's an HDMI port in this one. I would have liked to connect it to digital display, but I do not have that option. I could probably do it if I had something to convert USB-C to, I don't know if that's even possible to digital display, but I don't know. Right now we're gonna have to do it with this. I can't for the there. So let's turn the screen around, see if where we're at. And this is where that tiny little joystick is kind of dangerous. If you grab the screen and try to lift it. Plus, I haven't figured out where to turn this on yet. Oh, we got a nice big glare from my lights. Out of the way. Oh, power on is the middle one. Let's do a little bit of cable management first. There. So if we press this, does it turn on? Yeah, it does. Nice. And my computer has found something. Okay, we do have a screen, we do have a mouse. Okay, right now it's doubling the screen, duplicating this screen, so we might have to extend it instead. There, and we get a nice big stretch that beyond belief. Let's go to the second screen, see if we can. Oh, it has already picked the best resolution. Guess it's there. That was easy. Let's see the menu thing here. We get a Lenovo, and we get different options that we can do. HDMI, digital display, some customizing of stuff, brightness, contrast, game mode. Oh, color settings. Okay, yeah, of course. Three dots representing the three standard colors, I guess. And yeah, picking the input. It's not as if there's a lot of stuff here. We can move stuff up and down a little bit if we need that. So I guess this menu will disappear all by itself when it doesn't be, yeah, it went away. That's about the right way to be watching my channel, I'm sure. I am very curious. I think we want to try and start this video, which is in 4K. We're not gonna sign into YouTube. Oh, and I get ads on my own video because I ain't signed in. And right next to my video here is a video on how to clean your ears from earwax. Thank you very much for doing that. My video, earwax ad. And my video, mix, my video, computer crafting, and the hookup, and Unky Joe's actually. But earwax, really? Yeah, we're gonna skip that. And we're just gonna. Oh, that wasn't full screen. I wanna see it full screen. And it doesn't go full screen. Do I need to do something to make it go full screen? So it doesn't use the screen out here. That's unfortunate. I didn't know that. I got smarter. Doesn't seem to be any sound on this. I am curious. So there might not be any loudspeakers in this monitor. I cheated. I have connected this Bluetooth speaker with, it has a mini jack port. And I have connected it to the blue port in the screen. So when we unmute it over here, there. Out here I have there is actually sound coming in.
I got a new wood stove in the living room. We can go see that. But yeah, it came on its own palette.
There is no loudspeakers in the screen, but the blue thingy here is loaded. You need a soundbar or headphones. And that's probably pretty normal with gamers. They do most likely not use the speakers in a screen anyway. But I would have liked to see them in there anyway. Okay, I just had to try and open a bunch of windows here to see how you get a good overview. They are a little bit tiny, all of them. I could probably zoom out a little bit to have even more of an overview. But yeah, this looks kind of cool. So even if I'm not a gamer, I could see myself with one of these screens. This is a really cool screen. I like the curved thing. I haven't worked with it. It is a gift. I'm not gonna overuse it, scratch it and burn it in too much. I'm gonna very quietly take it apart again, put it back in the box, and wish my little brother a happy birthday later today, and hope that he gets very happy with this and that all his games will fit. He might have to bend them a little bit. I could see myself using one of these, or even better, two of them, maybe. I don't know, curved screen and vertical might not be the best, but very cool. Only thing, that little joystick is a bit flimsy, and I would have liked some loudspeakers in here. So yeah, back in the box. There we are, a little unsponsored video about the Lenovo 34-inch curved monitor, Lenovo. And I think I'm gonna try and see if I can't fool my little brother, because he wants to move in together with his girlfriend, fiancée actually, and he has moving boxes on his wish list. And as I'm too lazy to wrap this, I'm just gonna tell him that well, I have some moving boxes in the back of my car. If he wants to come help get those, yeah, he can use the box to move in afterwards. Probably just move the screen, but yeah, I'm excited to see if I can fool him like that. He's pretty smart, so might not work out. But yeah, thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again. Please give this video a tiny little like if you liked it. But otherwise, write in the comments why you think I'm a total sellout and you didn't like this video at all, and the audio sucked and the picture quality, well, and the hairstyle was crap beyond belief. Have a nice day. Bye bye.